What's up, Honda gang? So we're here back with another episode from Rochelle's build. Got her involved this time. Seen this. Also forgot to mention earlier during the day that we got this package in the mail, you know. On the internet, I don't even know if it's gonna fucking work or not, but I got us a blunt here. So we're going to attempt to find out where this is leaking from. Yeah, hope's all is well. Hope we find it.
EST was 1985, MKC on a bus ride from the 56 side. Not too many knew that it was a lie, but they spread it so now they tied to technicians worldwide. Listen, trying to recruit is the mission. We offer you a position where tech will rule and condition your brain. To know acting the fool is the vision, Carol Blue is tradition, and the way to be true to your living is strange. We come in peace, but if you wanna be dumb and beef, a gun is summoned, he wanna be young and speak, I'm a numb and speak. He's a woman, he the one, and he brung in meat for the kind and beef. Hit a lung and seep, dung and sleep long and deep, tongue full of gum and teeth. That's what a technician do to set to this. The crew, the best thing is for you to let the click see who the vet is and miss the new seekers. Wondering who the fuck is coming through these speakers. Never forget it, the medic for you tweakers. Ahead of the medicine develops to soothe creatures. You're pathetic if you're no believer, cause we all are energetic and eager. Come alive when you walk in side by side with me. Fly the skies and get high with me. On this ride you won't collide, just confide in me. Try denying me, ye die and vibe.
You see it? It's coming back out from somewhere.
That's
What are you looking at?
everywhere.
Why don't you come fucking blow through that thing up?
The crew convert and use our mission. If you're a born technician, put your ammunition and your hands up in the sky. This is a strong addiction. Live to this if you're technician till you die. My people all know what a Bianca is. Most of them want to this. Don't commit if you don't want to be. It ain't nothing but real women in my circle, not them phony chicks. I don't know what I mean when I say elbow macaroni, bitch. They know what I'm drinking, the ladies looking right, they know what I'm thinking. The babies even hype, the oldies be geeking.
That escalated quickly.
All of my people's here, taking the business, taking the equal fear. Cause I'm about to bubble and cause the evil peers. Out of my life, I never wanna see you, yeah.
Buddy.
Bitch, you ain't a
Go ahead and get real close in up here on this.
what you said that you listen.
Where's that
Guess you
oil?
misunderstood the shit,
Comes
huh?
like that.
Disrespect that tech trick, get done.
Ho, ho,
Notorious, we
ho.
warriors, notorious for the
Fresh ass nipple.
glorious, glorious. Technician number
Oh,
one.
even with the cover
Leave
cap.
us wrong with the tongue, and if you listen, it's a gun.
Bullpen. Yeah.
Others ain't got a clue, they coming through suspicion. We do the shit.
Yeah. So I think what we need to do, I think we need to go home back to the shop, get the toolbox and some car keys, and come back and see what we can't figure out. Grab the toolbox and car keys, but I realized that I don't know where the rest of this line went to, and I don't even have one of these on this transmission, so I'm gonna install this piece first and then try to find out where all my other shit is. So we're not gonna go home, we're just gonna install this piece here real quick and then we'll go home.
Even in the trap house, old boys talking about it, stuck inside the hood, and the only way to make it out. Had to lay my neighbor down in front of my hood, the finger drop. Excuse me, Mr. Officer, what the hell you talking about?
Okay, so that's what it looks like.
All
tightened down in there. As you can see, when you move this, it activates the clutch switch. So as soon as I find the rest of the line, wherever that shit went, as soon as I find that, we'll go ahead and bolt down the slave cylinder up there and start dumping some fluid through it. Pressure it up. See, is that mine? That is mine right there. Oh, found it.
And they smoked them like a cigarette. YouTube gangsters say they ballin' on the internet. Wanna talk money, but they don't got no internet. Say the feds watching all the houses that I'm trapping out. Excuse me, Mr. Officer, what the hell you talking about? Riding in my glass house, smashing to the gas out.
I'm gonna go ahead and remove this old one and connect it to the new one, and we're gonna see what we can.
Say fuck you niggas, you know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers.
That's real, people act a different way with me. I feel don't nobody wanna play with me. And that's ill, cause they treat me like I stand on their clothes. The industry of my foes, they treat me like I got a red nose. Red nose, red nose. They put me down and treat me like I got a red nose. Red nose, red nose. Don't make me clown and have to go put on my red nose.
I got my face painted, crazed, ain't it? That a black dude looking like he got a white tattoo. People thinking that he way tainted by evil. Treat you like fecal, wanna be few when they meet you. People perceive you to be lethal when you ain't see through like tissue. I feel like the industry giving me vivid stupidity when it distribute these fictitious sissies.
So we got it all finger tight in here. Just replaced this old bad mamma jamma. I don't know why, but kind of garbage. It's seized up, it doesn't want to move anymore. We got this all done here. Obviously lost a lot of daylight. I'm gonna go home, get some food, and possibly come back. I'm gonna leave this right here how it is and come back and tighten it down later. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna call it a night here. What is going on YouTube? So we back here just hanging out. Anyways, over here on the old workbench, boom, new parts came in. Let's go ahead and take us a little peek here. So right here we have a motor mount from the company out in Cali. Same people I ordered my billet aluminum motor control arms from. Didn't get the red one, guys, I'm sorry. I know it's gonna look funky in the engine bay, but this is way more affordable and it's just as good. Oh shit, came with hardware. That wasn't in the item description. Might have to write them and let them know. So, this is a solid billet racing motor mount designed for a hydro clutch conversion on a manual Civic. God damn, she is beautiful. I chose the black one because I had to get a little bit RPS racing. Solid bushing. Like, this thing ain't gonna go nowhere. Once that's all bolted in and bolted up, this shit ain't going nowhere. We'll have to bolt it to a transmission to see, but stay tuned for that project here coming up in a few days. Hope y'all liked it. Stay tuned. Enjoy. Dope footage. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but he knows who that is. So how about next time you're deciding on coming to our area, we meet up a little bit. Think about it. Deuces.